comes all sealed up and it says fragile on it. And then this is an 18 by 24 canvas. Then it's sealed up in this type of package so that it is suspended in the middle of this box, so it's not going to get banged up on the sides. And then it's wrapped in plastic. And then open it. I can't wait to see this. Okay, here we go. Take it out of the plastic. Oh my gosh, the colors are amazing. So these are the colors. And then this particular one I ordered with this kind of backing on it. And other ones you can have ordered will have a wire on the back. So there's different options. So, can you zoom in on it a little bit?
Yes.
I'll just hold it close still. And then this particular one I had the edges blurred so that the image wraps around the side of the canvas. And this is a very nice high quality canvas that is archival quality and will last you. It's an heirloom quality canvas, so it's not going to fade on you like some of the other cheaper brands are. Okay, so this is the original painting. It's just an 8 by 10 painting. And then this is what it looks like compared to the print. Can you zoom or come closer? Just walk closer and so they can see. Get the side profile a little bit.
Yeah.